In this video we will be going over the Super Star Seat and the Star Seat Plus installation and use. Starting with the Super Star Seat, we are going to unfold it. Next, we will visually inspect the buckle and all the webbing of the 5-point harness. After we turn it over, we are going to check for the FMVSS label and manufacture date sewn into the webbing at the base of the seat. Super Star seats are good for 7 years from the date of manufacture. The instruction manual is located under the vinyl covering at the bottom of the seat. Best practice is to install the Super Star seat on a seat not near the aisle and not near an emergency exit. Holding the Star seat by the cam straps, raise the base of the seat. Lay the base of the seat onto the bus seat and drape the cam straps across the seat back. Next, unlock the seat bottom. Raise the seat bottom and place the black webbing through the seat bight around the frame. The webbing should hang straight and have no twist. Make sure that the front gray strap is hanging across the bus seat with no twist. Extend the black and gray cam straps by pushing down on the gray friction grip and pulling downward. Ensure that the straps are straight and not tangled. The hooks should be facing the seat back and hanging below the bottom of the seat. Bring the front gray strap around the bottom of the seat to the back. Hook the gray eyelet onto the gray cam hook. Next, hook your left and right black eyelet onto the black cam hooks. The straps should not be crossed and should be hanging straight. Tighten the cam straps by pulling upward, starting with the gray cam strap and then the 2 black cam straps. Stow the excess webbing in the plastic keepers on each cam strap. You can also tighten the cam straps by kneeling in the seat and pulling the cam straps toward the top of the seat. When properly tightened, there should be an indentation on the seat back and the seat bottom, and the seat should not move more than 1 inch front to back or side to side. Never tie or tuck the excess cam webbing. If the plastic keepers are missing or broken, the webbing should be allowed to hang freely. To get our Super Star seat ready for our student, raise the yellow shoulder height adjustment clips to the top. Grab the chest clip, raise the release button on the front of the seat, and pull the chest clip forward. Release the chest clip and unfasten the left and right side of the buckle. Now it is time to secure our student into the star seat. Walk the student to the seat. Have the student sit in the star seat. Check the buckle to make sure it is routed through the right slot. If it needs to be adjusted, loosen the gray cam strap by pushing on the gray friction button and unhooking it. Raise the seat bottom. Lift the vinyl cover. Find the metal keeper on the bottom of the buckle strap. Turn it sideways and place it in the slot. Pull the buckle out of the star seat. With the button facing forward, angle the metal keeper into the correct slot, push it down and through. Grab it at the bottom and pull it the rest of the way through the star seat, ensuring that it locks. Lay the seat base on the seat. Take the gray webbing, wrap it around the front of the seat, and hook it to the gray cam's hook. Tighten the gray cam and stow the excess. The buckle is now in the right buckle spot for the width of the student's hips. Place the student back onto the star seat. Grab the harness and bring it around the student's shoulders. Fasten the chest clip. Slide the chest clip to the student's armpit level. Fasten the left and right side of the seat belt into the buckle. Make sure that all the webbing is straight and there are no twists. Place your hand under the chest clip, facing out. Pull the center tightening strap to tighten the 5-point harness, ensuring that the chest clip remains at armpit level and is snug. Next, slide the shoulder height adjustments to just above the shoulders. Check your 5-point harness. The shoulder height adjustments should be just above the shoulder. The chest clip should be at armpit level, and the seat belt should come across the hips. There should be no more than 1 inch of play when pinched. If a student is sitting in the seat directly behind another student that is in a star seat, Betsy seat, or safety vest, they must be in some form of restraint. This includes seat belts. Unfold the star seat, laying it out flat. We are going to be checking the buckle and the webbing of the 5-point harness, ensuring that it is not damaged. Turn the star seat over. We are going to check the FMVSS label and manufacture date sewn into the webbing at the base of the star seat. The Star Seat Plus is good for 5 years from date of manufacture. The manufacturer's instructions are tucked under the gray padding on the bottom of the star seat. Best practice is to install the star seat not on the aisle and not next to an emergency exit window. Holding the star seat bottom up, place the star seat on the bus seat. Take the black webbing from the bottom of the star seat and push it down into the seat bight. Slide the base of the star seat back to the back of the seat. Ensure that both black webbings are hanging straight around the frame. Lay the cam straps across the back of the seat. Make sure that they are not tangled and are hanging straight. Push the gray friction release button and pull the webbing to its full extent. The cam hooks should be facing the back of the seat and hanging below the seat bottom. Take the gray center strap, wrap it around the seat bottom, and bring it to the back. Clip the eyelet to the gray cam hook. Clip the right rear webbing to the right cam hook and the left rear webbing to the left cam hook. Ensure that all the straps are straight, not twisted or crossed. Tighten the cam straps by pulling up, starting with the gray cam strap, then the right and left black cam straps. There should be an indentation on the top of the seat back and the front of the seat bottom. You can also tighten the cam straps by kneeling on the seat, reaching over the seat back, and pulling the cam straps up toward the seat top, starting with the gray and then the two black. There should be an indentation on the top of the seat back and the front of the seat bottom. The base of the star sheet should not move more than 1 inch front to back or side to side. If it does, re-tighten and double check. Stow the excess cam strap into the plastic clips. Never tie or tuck the excess cam webbing. If the plastic clips are broken or missing, the webbing should hang freely. Now it is time to secure the student into the star seat. Walk the student to the seat and help them onto it. Adjust the yellow shoulder height clips to the top position. Bring the harness webbing around the shoulders and clip the chest clip. Slide the chest clip to the child's armpit level. Buckle the left and right seatbelt into the buckle, ensuring that the webbing is straight and there are no twists. Pull the right and left webbing loops to tighten the seatbelt and 5-point harness. Alternate from side to side. The seatbelt should ride across the child's hip, and the chest clip should remain at armpit level. Slide the shoulder height adjustments down until they are just above the student's shoulders. You should not be able to pinch more than an inch on the harness. The chest clip should be snug against the child. Check it by sliding your hand underneath, palm out. In an emergency evacuation, cut the 5-point harness diagonally below the chest clip. Let's see what that really looks like. To remove the student from the star sleep, unclip the chest clip, push the gray friction release button, and pull on the seatbelt. Unfasten the left and right side of the seatbelt.